How to make a paracord lanyard, the neck lanyard, the paracord keyring, key fob, keychain. So in the next few minutes, enjoy. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome Paracord project. For today's project we're going to use this gold Paracord 550 and this dark blue or a navy blue Paracord also 550. Before we start, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful Paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So we're gonna take our gold Paracord and pull them together to find the center. So take the ends of a gold, pull them together, and here we have the center of our strand. So now when we've done this, we're gonna pass to the navy blue. So take the ends, pull them. So here we have the center of our strands. Now I'm gonna just take this and insert it through the gold. Now simply I'm gonna place the gold behind the navy blue, so pinch it, and as you can see here we have the strand that will hold our carabiner or keyring or anything we want to add. So we're gonna start. We're gonna take this top side of our gold cord and we're gonna pass it to the back. Let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So to the back and then around and to the back, and between these two navy blue cords, and we're gonna tie it. From here I'm gonna take this top navy blue and pass it around and from the back through the middle between two gold cords and then on top of this bottom cord, like so. Now I'm gonna take this left strand, pass it around and from the back between the two navy blue and on top of it and to the left. Now with the navy blue around from the back in between the two gold cords and around and on top of this gold cord. Now I'm gonna take this gold and pass it around and from the back through the gap between two blue cords and to the left, and as simple as that we wanna proceed till the end. So here, as you can see, I reach the desired length of a lanyard. So now we're gonna join these strands with this side here. I can just zoom a bit so you can clearly see. So I'm gonna take the gold strands and insert them into the fits. Now I'm gonna detach the carabiner and we're gonna pull the gold strands through. Now from here we're gonna take the one strand of navy blue and we can use the keyring, as I said, carabiner or anything you want. So now from here we're gonna take this navy blue and we're gonna create a simple cow's hitches on the keyring. So we're gonna pull our navy blue from the top into the keyring, and then we're gonna pass it to the left side like so, and from the back through the keyring again and through the loop of the navy blue. From here we're gonna tie it, cinch it, so when we've done this we're gonna cut off this end of a navy blue and this end of a gold strand, the bottom gold strand, and we're gonna join them together. It doesn't need to be pretty because we're gonna create another layer on top of it. So the important thing is that it's secured, and it is, as you can see. So from here we're gonna create the snake knot. We're gonna take our gold paracord and we're gonna place it on top of these two strands and around and to the back. Now with this navy blue we're gonna pass it around, and from the back we're gonna pull it through the loop here, this gold one, and now we're gonna cinch it. So now we're gonna proceed with the basic snake knot. We're gonna take the gold strand, pass it around these three cords, these two strands and the navy blue, and then with the navy blue from the back around and from the top into the loop. Now we're gonna tie it. So now when we reach the desired length, we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt them down. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye.